So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make $2,328 per week with Shopify for free. And also I will share with you one tip that can help you to 2x your income or maybe 3x, 4 times your income instantly. Okay, so just stay with me because I'm going to share with you something very easy. Okay, so what we generally do on the Shopify, let's say this is your Shopify store. Okay, so on the Shopify, what we do generally, we generally do like we generally run Facebook ads, and with the help of the Facebook ads, we are able to make a lot of money on our Shopify store. But the catch is this: we have to spend a lot of money on finding the winning product. Okay, we have to test different products to find the winning products. But what if we are going to we can avoid this and we can make pick up another method to get free sales from Shopify. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you is related to like using other people's following for free, and we are going to get sales in return. Okay, so now for example, you can use this tactic for anywhere, not just on Instagram but on anywhere else. Okay, so we are going to hop on to the Instagram. So let's say you have some products about the fitness niche. So when I just search for fitness, you will see a ton of Instagram accounts. Okay, on the explore page. So what now we need to do, the first step, our first step is to find the Instagram accounts which near about find the our first step is going to be find the Instagram accounts. Okay, between like you can say Instagram accounts should be between 10,000 to 50,000 followers. Okay, 10,000 to 50,000 followers. This is because if you are going to have less than 10,000 followers, then probably you are not going to get that many sales. Yeah, you can try that, there is nothing bad with that, but you are not going to get that many sales. And over 50,000, they are not going to be ready because they already getting a ton of money. Okay, so now we need to find, for example, we are going to select this one. Okay, let's see, this one is having how many likes? 3,700 likes, 2,000 likes, 250 likes. So let's see, we are going to check out this one account. Okay, so let's move to this one and also to all other ones, for example, and also to this one. So the first one is this one, Lauren. Okay, so Lauren is having around 74,000 followers, although she is having over 50,000 followers. But we can still send we can still ask her, we can still give them our offer. For example, you can see that there is nothing, there is no link at all. That means she is not selling any stuff. Maybe she is only doing the shout out, and maybe she don't even know that she can actually make money with this method. Okay, so what we are going to now do, we are going to simply send her we are going to follow, and in the over there in the mobile, you will be able to send her a message. So what you are going to do, you are going to tell her, hey, I do run a Shopify store, and I do have products related to the fitness niche. So would you be interested in promoting my product at like 25% on all sales, okay, to 50% on all sales? Yeah, whatever you think. I don't know what your profit is, so you can simply do something like that. And you might be thinking, how are you going to pay her money? Okay, so for that you can simply go to the Shopify app store, and from there you can simply install an app from here, whatever, which one you like. Okay, and thereafter you can simply create an affiliate program where you are going to get 25% or maybe 50% or whatever your profit. I don't know about that, so you can simply pick up anything. Okay, and you are going to send her a message that you will be giving them 25% on every sale if she is going to promote your product. Okay, so now she is going to post a story for your product and also a post, and she will add the link of your Shopify store over here. Or with the story, you can also tell her to add a swipe up button. Okay, so then you will start getting sale even if you do not have any money to pay her, but you are giving them 25% money. Okay, yeah, you are losing some money because if you are going to ask her as an influencer, you can easily pay her like $100, $200, or maybe $1,000, whatever it is. But what you can do in the initial days, you do not have money. So what I will recommend, you just go with this method. Okay, what you can do actually, you can simply reach out to 5-10 different influencers every single day, because you are using this app, so it will automatically, you can give them a link, you can give her a link of the product, and then whoever is going to buy, you will be able to pay her the commission. Okay, And so what you are going to do then, you are going to reach out to other influencers as well. For example, look at this one. Yeah, this one is having only 5,000 followers, but there is nothing bad. You can simply send him or her a message, okay, and then you will be able to get the traffic from here. Although this guy, yeah, this guy is having only 5,000 followers, but what if you are going to get sales from here? Because you don't have to do anything except talking to him, okay. And you can also send her a message. Yeah, I think that she will not be ready because she is promoting something on over here. Maybe she's doing stuff like maybe she is doing her own she is doing a shout out, so you can actually also ask her if this is her store, then she will not be ready. But if this is not her store, then probably she will be getting ready for you, because you are giving them 25% commission instead of the fixed amount, okay. So that is how you can make money. But one thing, let me tell you on how you can actually double, triple, or 2x, 3x, or whatever you want. You can actually done that, because what you can do actually, how you can do literally over here. Let's say you are going to get let's see, we are going to start let's see, we are going to pick up an Instagram influencer, and so let's first of all discover how much money can you actually make. So for example, here she is going to she is going to do two things, okay. She's having over 74,000 followers. She is going to do two things. One is she is going to post a picture, and she is getting around 5,000 4,000 average likes. So that means we can say that 10% of the people are going to click on the link, okay. 10%, she is getting 5,000 likes, okay. She's getting 5,000 likes. She is having over 74k followers. She's getting 5,000 likes, and let's say only 10% of the people are going to click on the link in the bio. And thereafter thereafter she is going to post a story, and on the story you can get about 10% views, okay. So she is going to get, let's say, 7,400 views, and whoever is going to whoever is going to view the story is at least, let's say, 50% of the people, not 50%, but 25% of the people are going to swipe up the link. Although the rate will be much higher, but let's say only 25% will be doing that. So we are going to see 35, that means you are going to get 1,700 and extra clicks to your website. 1,700 clicks from here. So you are going to get about 2,000 clicks on overall. We are only going to take 2,000 clicks, okay. Some may be up and down, whatever it is, and whatever you are going to get to sales on the, but you are going to get this much traffic, okay. And let's say only 1% of the people are going to buy a $50 product. So what you have made over $1,000, okay. You have made over $1,000, and now if you are going to do is with an affiliate program, you have to pay 25%. Let's say you are going to pay her 25%, so you are going to pay $250. But let's say you are doing an Instagram influencer and only going to pay her $100 for whatever the sales you are going to get, okay. So then in that case you have already increased your profit by 2.5 times. So in the initial days you have to apply this tactic, because you do not have any money, but after you are going to get this much money, some money, you can simply start paying the influencers, and in that way you will be able to get a ton of money. But the catch is this, how you are going to grow from here. Now let's see, now you have made a let's say that you do have only 50% profit. So now you have gotten the $500 profit, but you have paid $250 to the influencer. Now you have left with $250. So what you can do, you can reach out to two influencers. To one of them is going to pay to one of that you can pay $250 and one $200, and you are going to get paid you can again get paid $1,000 or maybe $750, and the next time you can target a much bigger influencer, okay. So now you started with one, you come over here with two. Now you can target to three big influencers, okay, because you can pay $250 to each one, okay. So now after you are going to pay to three guys, you are going to make from one you paid about $500, so now you are going to make $1,500. Now you can reach out to 6 influencers or maybe 3 influencers, much bigger influencer like 500,000 followers. because you can pay $500 to $1,000 to every single influencer. So that is how you will be able to grow. But one thing also, there is one thing, let me tell you, because when you are going to send that traffic, let's see, this is Instagram, okay, this is Instagram, and from the Instagram you are going to send the traffic to over here on your Shopify store, okay. And on the Shopify store you can also have a Facebook pixel, okay. You can add a Facebook pixel, because once you are going to have a Facebook pixel, you can simply retarget them on the Facebook for pennies, okay. For pennies, you don't have to pay dollars for to getting the customer to pay on your store, because they already know you. Now you can simply retarget them on the Facebook, because now you have gotten just 2,000 clicks. You have gotten 2,000 clicks from one influencer. You can simply target those 2,000 on the Facebook, and your conversion will be much higher. So you are going to get reach out to 3 other followers, 6,000. You are going to reach out to 5 other, you are going to reach out to other guys, okay, it's 10,000. Every single day you will be getting more and more new guys, and you can simply retarget them. So that is how you can grow your business exponentially with this method, okay. You don't have to spend a lot of money, and this method really works very well, okay. But let me know, if you want more videos like this, then be sure to hit the subscribe button, okay. And also, if you want free training, then check out the link in the description right now, okay. And I will see you in the next video.